Hi, I'm Rance Green with NeedAStory.com. I'm excited to join you for an experience that might be a little bit out of the ordinary. We live in a pretty crazy world where we receive lots of input from lots of sources. Information, data, music, advertisements, a lot of advertisements. It can be overwhelming. As good as many of these things may be, what people are really craving is a human connection. A simple conversation, someone who will hear them out. A feeling like, yeah, this person gets me. At work, we may not be able to meet every personal need of our peers, of our clients, but we can share our stories and listen to the stories of others. If you enjoy connecting with people and would like to exercise your skills in connecting through storytelling, get ready, because we're about to have a lot of fun. You'll engage with stories, critically think, solve problems with your peers, and get feedback on your work. The story design experience is all about humanizing effective communication. I can't wait to see you there.